Alright, so basically what number 33 is asking is which statement best describes the data in the table that we're seeing right here. And this is a basic function table or an input-output chart. And in these charts, you have to know that for, x is your input value and y is your output value. So something is happening to x to get y. So let's copy this chart down and figure out what the pattern is. So x and y. So 0 is to 3, 1 is to 7, 3 is to 15, and 4 is to 19. So basically you want to see what's happening to the y values as they get bigger. And each time you're adding 4. Except right here where you're adding 8. And what's happening to the x values is that each time you're adding 1, except right here where you're adding 2. So when you're looking at this, you'll notice that every time the x value increases by 1, the y value increases by 4, which is why when it increases by 2 here, the y value is going to increase by 8. So there's a trick to figuring out the rule for these function tables, and it's fairly simple. So you take this number, the number that you're adding each time, to the y values as they get bigger, and you multiply it to the x value. So y is equal to 4x, okay? And then you figure out after that, what do you have to do to the x value to get y? So first, let's take one of these x values and multiply it by 4. So let's use 1 right here. So 4 times 1 is 4, right? So, but our y value is 7, so what do you have to do to 4 to get 7? You have to add 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is going to get us our y value, which is 7. Okay? So let's try it out with 3 to make sure it works. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15, which is our y value. So we know that this is the rule. Okay? So now we have to put it into words. So the value of y is equal to 4 times x plus 3. Or the value of y is 3 more than 4 times the value of x, which is basically what the first answer choice is saying. So the answer to 33 is A.